In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize your Google Chrome browser. First, open a new tab in Google Chrome. You can do this by clicking the plus icon at the top of the browser window, next to your current tabs. Opening a new tab is important because it takes you to the page where Chrome places its built-in customization tools. If you are already using Chrome, this should only take a moment. Once the new tab is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the page. There, you should see an option labeled Customize Chrome. Go ahead and click it. This opens the customization panel, which is where Chrome lets you adjust parts of the browser interface. If you do not notice it right away, give the page a second to fully load and then check that lower right area again. After the customization panel appears, select Toolbar from the panel. This section is where Chrome gives you control over toolbar-related options, allowing you to decide how certain tools and shortcuts appear in your browser. Choosing Toolbar is the key step here, because it takes you into the part of Chrome where you can tailor the top area of the browser to better match the way you work. As you move through this section, take a moment to look carefully at the available toolbar settings. The goal of customization is not just to make Chrome look different, but to make it easier to access the features you use most often. A cleaner, more organized toolbar can help reduce distractions and improve efficiency while browsing. If you are making changes, it is a good idea to review them as you go so you can be sure the layout still feels intuitive. Small adjustments can make a noticeable difference, especially if you use Chrome throughout the day for work, school, or general browsing. This is a very straightforward part of Chrome to customize, and once you know where the setting lives, it becomes much easier to return and update it again later whenever your preferences change. That covers everything you need to know.